Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about variable and data types in Java. You can see here that 5 is a data and we are storing this data in a variable called x, and this data is type integer, so we declare the data type as integer. You can think variable as a box where we can store data. If you see here, this 5 is a data and we are storing this data in a variable called x, and we declare this variable as integer. Let me give you some example. So, uh, if I want to store data integer 10, if I want to store 10, then we give a variable name x, and this 10 is integer, so we declare it's a integer type. If we want to store data like 0.2, then we need to give declaration of this data type as float. To store float data type, we need to give a f in this data. Or if we want to store like c data like c, then we need to declare the data type of the variable is char to store character. And if we want to store a line of character like hey, I am Dhruva in x, then we need to declare this x variable as a string data type. Okay, is that clear to you? Yeah, I will show you this everything in coding. Actually, I have made a mistake here. If you want to store a char value, then you need to give single quote here. Here you can see I have implemented this code. Here you can see this is main method, this is main class. Inside of this main method, there is we are storing this data in variable. Yeah, this is data 5 of data type integer, and we are storing this in my number. And this is a float data type we are storing here. This is a single character. If we want to store character 10, we need to enclose this character by giving single quote. Here you can see where uh, we are storing this character in this variable my letter. One more thing, I forgot to tell you that in if we want to store boolean value like true and false, then there is one more data type called boolean. Here we are storing true value in my bool variable, and after that we are printing this variable like my number. These are our variable, and we are printing this in console. Yeah, I will show you. Here you can see in first line we printing out this my number, and second line we are printing float number, third line is the character, fourth is the boolean value, and last one is the string value.